famire ayi buvunaanyizibwa bwo eri obulamu bwo obe mulamu obe ng'osobola okukolera abaana timu etya ezira bu
And I know that the team will be looking forward to working with all the structures of the kingdom. We may take our seats. Where are my protocol people?
Bageni bamale bayireko edukira ngeriye olwendo lw'amaadhi lunch Busoga bajeta olwendo lw'amaadhi lunch is there. Trainer abasada nife empango da Kyabazinga mu byona byona bana
Because of the technologies don't this is not G5, it's like G2.
Joseph ni minister wa health ID olunaku olwalero enga leti ndi mdongere Dr. Lydia Mongerera
very much
ngot nobo nokujja niba mugemya engabo era baba asimye engabo agigemye yagita mumbali awo kali mukuba omuziro ogw'amaanyi yevo okutuuka yekanga era Dr. Lydia Mongerera lwe yatamu
the men in Uganda as we appreciate her championship in this. Dr. Mongerera
aziza yetubaire igulu mu lubiri niga no butimpegano era tuyidde nti bwe luli olunaku olw'abasada bano buto butafuna budada n'obwana obuto nga bagenkola esobozesa okubanga ati awo naakaali kufuuka mukazi onaakaali kazi wala kano kaana abalenzi oba muli buli amagambo national Uganda yeva otuuka yekanga ti Busoga yonka.
Now may I take this opportunity to request the representative of the minister to come officially close this function.
People living with HIV, the media fraternity, colleagues from
Otagabana bubunda tusituke twembe enembe digalawo anthem ya Busoga metuje ku.
So on this plaque it says recognition presented to the Kyabazinga, William Gabula Nadiope IV, as a UNAIDS National Goodwill Ambassador for engaging men and boys to end teenage pregnancies. Thank you for accepting. Your Majesty, we are here today to welcome you as the National Ambassador, Goodwill Ambassador for UNAIDS for engaging men and boys to end teenage pregnancies in the Busoga region. We have seen the data from this region, and we know the work that needs to be done to protect the lives of girls and young girls, but also to ensure that boys and men are accessing health services. Today is International Men's Day, and so the reason we launch this national ambassadorship is because we need men to lead, and therefore we welcome your campaign on Male Are Pillars, Omusada Mpango, to promote behavior change among men and boys in the region, to reduce teenage pregnancies among the adolescent girls and young women in Busoga region. And we look forward as the United Nations family to working with you to ensure that we achieve the health outcomes of people in the Busoga Kingdom. Once again, let me congratulate you, Your Majesty, the Kyabazinga, on your impressive commitment to work with young people. We are impressed with this work, and I'm happy today to welcome you as a UNAIDS National Goodwill Ambassador for engaging men and boys to end teenage pregnancies. Your Excellency, we already had a long conversation this morning, so please allow me to assure you of our highest considerations. On behalf of UNAIDS and its co-sponsors, we are dedicated to continue to partner with you and support you in this campaign to ensure we can reach our shared goal of ending AIDS and teenage pregnancies as a public health threat in Busoga Kingdom. Your Majesty, it is our distinct pleasure and honor to confer on you distinguished honor of UNAIDS National Goodwill Ambassador, engaging men and boys to end teenage pregnancies in Busoga region. And to acknowledge this, we have prepared a small plaque, which I will hand over to you.
Nze Sarah Naku, nkola n'ekitongole ekya UNAIDS, nga UNAIDS kitongole ky'amawanga amagatte ekigatta ebitongole 11 eby'amawanga amagatte mu kulaba nga tulwanyisa akawuka ka mukenenya. Olunaku lwaleero nga 13 December 2024, twegasse wamu pozi wamu ne ba partners baffe abalala ba USAID abo bali ku side y'aba Americans okulaba nga turecognizinga King wa Busoga nga champion waffe mu kulaba nga tukendeeza ku muwendo gw'abaana abafuna embuto mu Busoga region. Bwe tutunuulira Uganda y'emu ku nsi mu Africa esinga okubaamu teenage pregnancy cases oba abaana abafuna embuto. Bwe tutunuulira mu nsi yonna tuli ndowooza bakusatu mu nsi yonna. Bwe tutunuulira mu Africa tuli namba emu mu Africa okubeera n'abaana abafuna embuto abasinga obungi. Kati olunaku lwaleero tusazeewo tubeere wamu n'ebitongole ebikola UNAIDS wamu ne USAID okulaba nga turecognizinga King wa Busoga Kyabazinga nga ambassador waffe oba kyetwandiise National Goodwill Ambassador waffe wano mu Uganda okulaba nga tukendeeza ku muwendo gw'abaana ababa nga bafuna embuto. Tumusabye ate era nakkiriza okufuuka ambassador waffe nga agenda kubanga omulamwa gutambulira nnyo mu kulaba nga akubiriza abalenzi wamu n'abaami okulaba nga tukendeeza abaana okufuna embuto. mu Busoga region. Bwe tutunuulira Busoga region yanjawuloko ku regions endala kuba tutunira abaana abafuna embuto abasinga obungi bazifuna wakati w'abaana bannaabwe. Osanga omwana omulenzi w'emyaka 17 nga afunisiza omuwala w'emyaka 13 oba 14 olubuto. Kati majority bwe tutunuulira cases ze tuyina wano mu Busoga ezisinga ziri wakati w'abaana n'abaana. Ekitali ku regions endala, kuba regions endala ojja kwesanga ng'olaba nti kiri nnyo wakati w'abaami abakulu ba myaka 3, 4 ng'ate be bafunisa abawala ba myaka 18, 17, 16 n'abiri embuto, naye ate mu Busoga kiri nnyo wakati w'abaana ku baana bannaabwe oba bavubuka ku bavubuka bannaabwe. Nenda kubeebaza olw'okuba wano olwaleero. Olunaku lwaleero nga bwe muli kulubona era nga bwe muli lubweine, ise bantu Kyabazinga wa Busoga asiime yakyazaaku abantu abakungu abakolowa abava mu kitongole eky'amawanga amagayite mu nsi yona yona nkani United Nations, nga ekitongole ekikulembeire okulukyalo luno kibaire kya UNAID. Ekitongole kino nekigemaganya ensonga edireetera abantu okufuna obulwaire bwa mukenenya babanga babirwanisa. Aye nga ekisinga ebimu ku ebyo bye bagiire nti bazuula nti abaana abato abakaali kwetuuka okufuna amabunda kisansanya ino obuwuka buno ate kiri kulemesanga enkulankulana mu Busoga wano. Kyenamiza nti ife okusinziira ku bibalo tuli mu kitundu ekisinga kubaamu baana bato abafuna amabunda nga bakaali kwetuuka. Ate n'ekindi baabonanga ise bantu Kyabazinga ali kukolawo ebintu nga okubangula abaana abawala ababaire nga bakoseibwa n'ekintu ekyo. Baamubona effort gyali kutaamu okuba nti alwanisa ekintu kino. Kale bamulengeire baidye gano kumusaba mu butongole aikirize agemere omumuli abasaada mu Uganda yona yona ni wano mu Busoga, abasaada n'abalenzi beetabe mu kukola empenda edisobola okulwanisa ekintu kino. Okunonereza kulaga nti omwana omuwala oba abaana mu maka ge baba ni baba ng'abaawo nga baba ono era ali kwetabira buli munkulankulana y'amaka n'okugundula abaana bavaamu omulamwa. Kiri kuboneka nti abasaada abasinga enaku dino tibali kuwanga amaka gaibwe bwire naddala okugundula abaana abawala n'abalenzi. Kale bakoba nti bayenda omusaada omusaale avweyo akunga abasaada mu kikwekweto kino basobole okuba nti ekintu kino tukirwanisa gano mu Busoga kibe lufumo. Era ndenda okubategeeza nti se bantu amaze okuyikiriza era nga ajja kukolera agalala n'ebitongole bino. Ebitongole tufunye bingi ate by'amaani nga ajja kola n'ebitongole ebyo ti kukola mulimo aye baidye okumwegaitaku okumwongeramu amaani ag'okuba nti alwanisa embeera eno. Amaani ago gaida kuba gakutaamu mpiya, amaani ago gaida kuba gakutukobera ku obukodyo obundi n'okwida mu byalo eyo tusobole okukola kwedembeera ediri kuleeteranga abaana okufuna amabunda. Tukiidi bulungi nti ebikaado bifuuse taabu mu kyalo eyo. Aye ebitongole bino bisobola okutuyamba twataawo ekirime ekindi kyasobola okuba nti kiyida mu Busoga muno kyabaako obutale abantu baaloba kwetanira ino bikaado ebiri kutuyitira emmere n'eitaka okwonoona eitaka, ebikaado ebiri kutuleetera embeera y'empube n'emisu okuwera abantu bazira mmere. Kale abaana bano olwisi nekibatendewalira bakola ebintu oti n'ebyo. Abantu bano baafunye bajja kumuyamba okwongeramu amaani mu nkola dona ed'okukakasa nti abaana abawala baba mu masomero baaloba kwenigira mu bintu ebitasaaniire. Mulimo gw'amaani era tiimu gonvu Kyabazinga ajja kwetaaga
obuwagizi bwaimwe n'okuba nti mukyetabiramu naddala imwe abaami n'abaana ab'obulenzi mukyetabiremu iwe ku kyalo kyo iwe mu makaago obenga ebintu byonna byonna by'oli kukola biri kubona nti mu makaago timubaamu mwana muto akali kwetuuka kufuna mabunda. Baba yaviireyo n'engombo yakoba ati tujja kuba n'ekikwekweto kyaife nga tukyeta nti abasaada n'empango. Omusaada kyaziramu tikyemerera bulungi. Kale abasaada n'empango tujja kubanga kampeyini y'amaani mu Busoga muno baba afuna empango de edisobola okwemerera ku nsonga y'abaana obutafuna mabunda. Empango de edisobola okwemerera mu makaago neba nti abaana bali kusoma. Empango da Kyabazinga iwe onabaawo ngaye otegeera nti mu maka muno tuli kwetaaga kiyongera okuyinikira nti omusaada mu maka ni mu byalo byaife n'empango niwe osobola okuwanirira ensonga eno.
And as a kingdom, we are grateful and delighted to have you today. To begin with, I think it is better for you to know about the Kyabazinga initiatives. So I will invite Oweekitiibwa Udaya to give a bit of a background and for the work you've done. And we know that if we work as a team, we shall do a lot together. From the information I've received from you, there's a lot of work you've done, but you still need intervention from institutions like Busoga Kingdom to ensure that you meet the much needed targets. So as a kingdom, we are an open door to development, and I know there's a lot we shall do when we are together and achieve as well. One of our pillars is we need to have a healthy population. So when you come and join us with initiatives that are dealing with improving the lives of people, especially their health, you're most welcome, and we know together we shall fight the high rates of teenage pregnancies, the HIV rates, and other non-communicable diseases. Because as Kyabazinga, we as well wish to see our people in good conditions, wish to see them working hard, wish to see them moving from one place to another in terms of self-development, and as well giving back to the various communities. Therefore, through different interactions with you, since it's the beginning, we shall be in position to strategize and work together. Because we know it's not the last time we are seeing you, and we shall have a lot of paperwork, a lot of sharing of ideas, etc. and etc. So that we can be in position to meet the different targets that we have. It's good that Oweekitiibwa Udaya has given you a bit of some details about Kyabazinga initiatives, which is directly under my office. And the focal persons, of course, the main person would be the third Deputy Prime Minister of Kyabazinga Busoga. And I think for purposes of introducing him, he's going to stand up such that, you know, and as a kingdom, we believe so much in proper service delivery. Therefore, working with organized institutions like yours, we shall be in position to achieve all that we need to do. And of course, just like Oweekitiibwa Udaya has said, the kingdom has different structures, where we have the cabinet, we have the Chiefs Royal Council, we have the clan leaders, we have the Elders Council, we have the Busoga Youth Council, and several others, right from the top to the grassroots, that we shall be dealing with to ensure that the different messages and the different ways we want to do things are achieved. Therefore, feel free, whenever need arises, for us to do the needful. Then I want to thank Madam Sarah Naku and Ali Barunya for the great work they have done to ensure that we have a successful meeting, to ensure that we meet the different partners, and to ensure that the coordination has been good. Because working together for community-based activities is always good when you're a team. Therefore, we thank them for the different roles they have played, and we are looking forward to working with them further.